Is it time to buy or sell Jayud Global Logistics Limited stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Jayud Global Logistics Limited. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 12th of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of April 2025, our system has categorized Jayud Global Logistics Limited as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.24. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, achieving a gain of 5.53%. This equates to an average return of 0.20% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of nearly 50% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a total loss to over 666%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates an expected change of approximately 46%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 8% to an increase of over 3,224% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 33.5 cents and $12.12. Our latest daily update for Jayud Global Logistics Limited includes the headline, High Volatility in Jayud Global Logistics Limited stock price on Monday, which ended trading at 365 thousandths of a dollar. The Jayud Global Logistics Limited stock price gained 67.09% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, rising from 218 thousandths of a dollar to 365 thousandths of a dollar. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 150.49% from a day low at 206 thousandths of a dollar to a day high of 515 thousandths of a dollar. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 37.64% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 196 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 198 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $72,240,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $8 and the lowest price was 900 thousandths of a dollar. Currently, the price is 95.44% or $7.64 below the 52-week high of $8, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Jayud Global Logistics, trading under the ticker symbol JYD, has recently filed its 2024 annual report, showcasing its audited financial results and confirming compliance with United States SEC regulations. This marks a critical milestone, demonstrating transparency and stability, factors that investors typically favor. As the report becomes public, we can anticipate further market analysis, which could potentially influence stock sentiment positively, especially if the results indicate growth in revenue and operational efficiency. On another note, Jayud has launched a new exclusive chartered air cargo service between Fuzhou and Jakarta, enhancing its logistics capabilities in key Asian markets. This strategic move is expected to not only widen Jayud's service offerings, but also drive revenue in the short term by tapping into the increasing demand for cross-border logistics. Moreover, Jayud's recent partnership with Southeast Asian e-commerce leader Lazbao Group further solidifies its foothold in the rapidly growing e-commerce space. This collaboration is likely to yield positive results over the long term as e-commerce continues to expand. However, it is essential to note that Jayud had previously faced compliance issues regarding Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirements. Overcoming such regulatory challenges is crucial for restoring investor confidence, thus directly impacting stock prices. In the short term, The release of the annual report and the expansion of services could lead to a bullish sentiment around JYD, while long-term growth prospects appear promising if the company manages to maintain compliance and capitalize on its growth initiatives. Analysts have assigned Jayud Global Logistics Limited stock an overall strong sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Jayud Global Logistics Limited. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 22, 2025, and so far it has risen 257.45%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been identified, which may impact short-term developments. The stock of Jayud Global Logistics Limited currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Concurrently, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this results in an overall negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance at the long-term moving average set at $1.54. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at 23.7 cents. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will generate an additional sell signal, further reinforcing the overall sentiment. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal from 37 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, a buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, a sell signal from 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 26 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 18 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Jayud Global Logistics Limited. Jayud Global Logistics Limited finds support from accumulated volume at 362 thousandths of a dollar, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to carry a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 309 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, or 150.49%. For the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 37.38%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Jayud Global Logistics Limited, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Jayud Global Logistics Limited. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Jayud Global Logistics Limited is at 0.397. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Jayud Global Logistics Limited encounters its first support level at 0.362. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Jayud Global Logistics Limited stock a good buy? Jayud Global Logistics Limited displays several negative signals, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook for this stock. Our assessment has been adjusted from a strong sell to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of May, we anticipate that Jayud Global Logistics Limited will open lower by 290 cents and begin trading at 362 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Sending regards from all of us here at StockInvest.